Hello students. So last class we were seeing some problems. Here we will continue that. So page number 216. So we'll continue the problem. So we are seeing the second problem of that, and after completion of this we'll go to the first problem because it takes much space. That is why I have taken this problem as first. See, an electric lamp of 100 ohm toaster of resistance 50 ohm and water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to a 220 volt source. See, there are three things: 100 ohm, 50 ohm and 500 ohm. So these are connected in parallel like that. 100 ohm, 50 ohm, 500 ohm are connected in parallel to 220 volt source. This is a battery of 220 volt source. What is the resistance of an electric iron connected to the same source that takes as much as current as all three appliances, and what is the current to it? See, instead of these three resistance, if we remove and put an electric iron there, then what is its resistance? Just exactly the same resistance these three are having the effective resistance. Okay, a ಮೂರು resistance ತಗದಲ್ಲಿ electric iron ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಆ ಮೂರು resistance equivalent resistance ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು electric iron ದ resistance ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೂರು resistance ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ electric iron ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ I ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ here it becomes I1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ I3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. I1 I2 I3 ಆಗಿ ಹೊಡಿತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ y ಕೂಡಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ I ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that I should be fine. ಅಷ್ಟು electric current ಕೂಡ electric iron ದಾಗ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ if we replace that all resistors by electric iron. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So solution ಏನು, they have given us R1 they have given us as 100 ohm, R2 they have given us as 50 ohm, R3 they have given us as 500 ohm. Just we need to find out the effective resistance, that is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. What is my 1 by R1 here? That is 1 by 100 plus 1 by R2 is 1 by 50. 1 by R3 is 1 by 500. Okay. 100, 50, 500. LCM ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 500. So 100 5s are 50 10s are 500 1s are 1 5s are 5, 1 10s are 10, 1 1s are 1. So yes, 10 plus 5 plus 1, that is 16 by 500. You look here, 1 by Rp will become 16 by 500. If I take Rp, exactly reverse of this, 500 by 16. So if you take 500 by 16, you can do here 16 500. Okay, 16 2s are 16 3s are 48. 2 0, 16 1s are 16, 4 point, 16 2s are 32, 8 80, 16 5s are 80. So 31.25 will be your answer. 31.25 ohms. So we got 31.25 ohms as our effective resistance in parallel combination. So electric iron will have this much of resistance. If these three resistance are removed and electric iron has to be put, then that electric iron should have this much of resistance. If it has to have this much of resistance, there is no other option. Okay. So now they have asked also the current. We got Rp now and we have to get the current. They are already given V. Just we know that's by Ohm's law. We know that V equal to IR, I equal to V equal to IR, I equal to V by R. That is V by Rp. What is my V here? They have given it as 220 volt. 220 upon 31.25. You have to do it. 220 upon 31.25. Or how to do it in a very easy way? Take two other zeros here, make it 22,000 and you keep it as 3125. We have to removing the point. After point there are two places, means we have to multiply this one with 100. If I multiply this one with 100, this point will come this side. At last if it is coming, means no need to write that point. So 22,000, 3,125. In the above also we have to multiply with 100. So you can cancel here with 5. 5 6 are 30. 12 is remaining. 5 2 are 10. 2 is remaining. 25. 5 5 are. Here also 5 4 are 20 means 5 5 are again 2 zeros. If I make again with 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 is remaining. 1 2 12 it becomes 5 2s are 10. Again it becomes 125. 5 9s are and double 0. 900 upon 125. Again if you go with, now we will go with 25. 25 5s are. Here 25 3s are 75. 15 is remaining. So 150 it is becoming. So that is 25 6s are 36 by 5. So 36 by 5 means you will be 5 7s are 35. Okay, then point is remaining. That means 7.2 is coming. 7.2 amperes. Nearly we are getting 7.2 ampere of the current. So you should remember all these things. This is the way how you have to solve this problem. 7.2 amperes. You should remember this is the way you have to solve this problem. There is no other option. Okay, it is very easy. 100 ohm, 50 ohm, 500 ohm parallel ದಾಗ ಅದಾವು. ಅವಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು effective resistance ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ electric iron resistance ಇರ್ತದ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇದರ resistance ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು equal ಇರ್ತದ. So that is how much we got, 31.25 ohms. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಕ್ತು 1 by Rp ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I equal to V by Rp ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೋದು. 220 by 31.25 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 36 by 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So that will you get it as 7.2 amperes. So electric iron daga 7.2 ampere current pass ಆಗ್ತದ. ಮತ್ತು electric iron resistance ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 31.25 ohms ಇದೆ. I hope you all understood this concept or this problem. I hope this problem is clear. We'll move to the first problem. We'll move to first problem of that page number. Okay. So now we'll move to the first problem. What is the first problem? Judge the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel. 1 ohm and 10 raised to 6 ohm. 1 ohm, please open the book. 1 ohm and 10 raised to 6 ohm. That is in first problem. In second problem, 1 ohm, 10 raised to 3 ohm and 10 raised to 6 ohm. 1 ohm, 10 raised to 3 ohm and 10 raised to 6 ohm. This is in first problem. This is in parallel. They are connected parallel. You can connect whatever parallel. So what is the effective resistance in here? Just you need to find out effective resistance. Effective resistance annu you find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How we have to find out? See here. This is R1, this is R2. Solution. Okay. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. R1 ಎಷ್ಟದ 1 1 by 1 1 by 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 ಮತ್ತು 1 ನ LCM ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ 10 raised to 6 ಆಗ್ತದ. ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವುದು ಇರ್ತದ ಅದು ಆಗ್ತದ. ಹೌದು 1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಆಗ್ತದ 10 raised to 6. So 10 raised to 6 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ. ಈ 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. 10 raised to 6 plus 1. So 10 raised to 6 plus 1 divided by 10 raised to 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 lakh. 10 lakh ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ 1 ಇದು 10 lakhs. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ sorry ಇದು 10 lakhs. Okay, ಇದು 10 lakh ದ 1. 10 lakh 1 divided by 10 lakhs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಹೆಚ್ಚೈತೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ ಎರಡು. So 1 point something ಬರ್ತದ 1.00000 ಬರ್ತದ. So that we can approximately say that 1 ohm, that is 1 by Rp equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 1 ohm. Rp is equal to 1 ohm. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ Rp ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ that is equal to 1 ohm. Okay, here we got RP. RP ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಿದೆ, RP equal to 1 ohm ಅಂತ. Okay, so RP equal to 1 ohm ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ now this one is over. We'll move to that side. You can verify it. Okay, here 1 by RP is again equal to what? 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by R1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 1 by 1 plus 1 by R2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 1 by 10 raised to 3 plus 1 by R3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 1 by 10 raised to 6. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ LCM 10 raised to 6 ಆಗ್ತದ. So 1 into 10 raised to 6, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 raised to 3 already ಅದ. What is remaining? Other 10 raised to 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1. So 10 raised to 6 plus 10 raised to 3 plus 1. So 10 raised to 6 is 10 lakhs. 10 raised to 3 is 1000 plus 1 divided by 10 lakhs. See, 10 lakhs plus 1000 plus 1 is 10 lakh 1001. This one is 10 lakh 1001 divided by 10 lakh. So this will come approximately 0.99 or 1 point something like that. So which is again approximately equal to, so 1 by RP is, okay, this will come 1 point something like that. So we can put it as 1 ohm only approximately. So RP is equal to, RP is approximately equal to 1 ohm. So this much you should remember. Same, both will come, both the answer will come same. So RP is equal to 1 ohm. You should remember. These are the two problems. Here the third question is there. What are the advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel with the battery instead of connecting them in series? This is already I have discussed. Why parallel connection is better than series connection. Because in series connection, what happens? Same current flows through all the circuit. If any one component is not working, means the whole circuit breaks. Then there will be no flow of current. But in parallel circuit, if one appliance is not working, means still other appliances can work because different current is flowing. In parallel circuit, effective resistance is very low compared to series circuit. And third point, different appliances need different current, which cannot be satisfied by series connection, but in parallel connection it can be satisfied. So due to these three reasons, parallel connections are preferred more over series connection. Okay, parallel connections are preferred more over series connection, or parallel connection is better compared to series connection. Okay, so these are the things you have to remember. Let us move to the next question. So I think you all are clear with all these three questions. Okay, so be perfect with these three questions. Okay, and there are two questions also, so we'll solve that. Okay, see, we'll see the next question, that is, what are the advantages of, that is over, how can three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm? Okay, so how can three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm? Okay, see here, three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm. More resistors are 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm. How can these be connected in parallel or series to give 4 ohm resistance and 1 ohm resistance. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4 ohm ಬರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು 1 ohm ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಮೂರು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅದಾವು, ಇವನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 4 ohm ಬರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ohm ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ 4 ohm ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So I will connect here 3, 6 I will connect it in parallel, whereas 2 I make it in series. So I will directly get the answer. See here, I will connect these two in parallel, or you can say one resistor adile ಇನ್ನೊಂದು resistor ಇದೆ. Okay, I will now connect it in parallel. Which resistor? This one is 3 ohm, this one is 6 ohm, this one is 2 ohm. See, these resistors which are connected in parallel, they will come here and they will become series with this 2 ohm. Okay, series with this 2 ohm. So that we can say 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 2 ohm. So I can write like this. You can still easily make it like this. Okay, this is better, that you can easily identify. 3 ohm, 6 ohm. Whatever comes, the answer here will be this, and that should be in series with 2 ohm. So let me find out. This is R1, R2, R3. Say, I have to get the answer as 4. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. What is 1 by R1 here? 1 by 3 plus 1 by R2, 1 by 6. So what is the LCM of 3 and 6? 6. 6 ones are, 3 twos are. So 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 by 6. That is 1 by Rp equal to 3 by 6. If I want Rp, this 6 will come upper side. 1 by Rp ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 6 ಅದ. ನನಗೆ Rp ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು Rp ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಕಳಿಸಿನಿ, 1 ತೆಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿನಿ. ಹಂಗ 6 ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಕಳಿಸಿ 3 ತೆಳಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 6 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So Rp is equal to 2 ohms. Rp is equal to 2 ohms. This Rp is in connection with R3, isn't it? So now Rs is equal to Rp plus 2, Rp plus R3. So that is 2 ohm plus 2 ohm. I will get final resistance as 4 ohm. So final resistance R effective or Rs, I got it as 4 ohm. Okay, so I got it as 4 ohm. So this way you have to understand. So first one we got it as 4 ohm. Second one we have to do how to connect these all three to get it as 1 ohm. It is very easy. 2, 3, 6 are there. Okay, so 2 into 3, that will give you 6, means if all are connected in parallel, definitely we will get 1. Okay, this connection is okay. So now we'll move to that problem. If all are connected in parallel, definitely we will get the answer. If all are connected in parallel, means 2, 3, 6. If I connected all these, this is 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm. If I connect all these in parallel, then I will definitely get, okay. So this is the flow of current, right? So if I connect all these in parallel, let me see, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So what is 1 by R1? 1 by 2 plus what is 1 by R2? 1 by 3 plus what is 1 by R3? 1 by 6. So 2, 3, 6. What is the LCM? Definitely 6. Isn't it? 2, 3, 6. What is the LCM? Definitely 6. 2 3s are, 3 2s are, 6 1s are. So 1 3s are how much? 3. Plus 1 2s are 2. Plus 1 1s are 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. 6 by 6. So you will get it as 1 by Rp is equal to, so 1 by Rp is equal to 6 by 6. Better don't cancel. Rp is also what? Reverse. That is also 6 by 6. 6 1 is 6 1. So Rp is equal to 1 mole. So we got it as 1 mole. Note. ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಓಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 1 ಓಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. So this is the problem. You have to understand. Okay, last problem we will see from that. What is the highest and the lowest total resistance that can be secured by combination of 4 coils of resistance? 4 8 12 24. Naak resistance adao 4 8 12 24. Okay, which is highest resistance we can get and which is the lowest resistance we can get on KDAS. So ಮಾಡುವುದು problem ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 4 8 12 24 ನಾಲ್ಕು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, 4 ohm 8 ohm 12 ohm 24 ohm. These are the 4 resistances. Highest resistance ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಲಿ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ resistance is very low, series connection resistance is very high. If you connect all the resistance in series, that will be the highest resistance. If you connect all the resistance in parallel, that will be the lowest resistance. You remember that. So I want initially highest resistance. My A question is highest resistance. To highest resistance, I need to connect them in parallel. So highest resistance is in series, is when they are connected in series. When they are connected in series. Okay, that is 1 by Rs. So not 1 by Rs, in series directly we take Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ, 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24. ಹೌದಾ, 4 ohm 8 ohm 12 ohm 24, R1 R2 R3 R4. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 4 8 12 12 24 24 48 ohms. ಸೊ Rs equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 48 ohms. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ Rp ಬೇಕು. Rp ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತತಿ, ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ when they are, lowest when resistances are connected in parallel. When resistances are connected in parallel. Resistance parallel ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ lowest ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. Okay, 1 by R1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. So 1 by 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 1 by R2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 1 by R3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 1 by R4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 24 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? So now you check properly. 4 8 12 24 LCM 24 ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದ ಇರ್ತದ 4 1 4 ಎಷ್ಟು 24 4 6 24 8 3 24 2 12 24 or 12 2 24 24 1 24. So now you write down 1 into 6 6 1 into 3 3 1 into 2 2 1 into 1 6 3 2 1 that is 1 by RT. So ಇದು ನೋಡಿ 1 by RT ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ 6 3 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12 12 upon 24, but I want only RP. RP means RP by 1, this is 24 by 12 12 ones are 12 twos are, so RP is equal to 2 ohm. ನೋಡಿ ಸೊ ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತದ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ RP 2 ohm ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ RS R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 ಅದ. ಇವನಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೀರೀಸ್ ದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ 48 ohm ಆತು. ಅದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ದಾಗ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅತಿ ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ R1 R2 R3 R4 ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ 1 by 4 1 by 8 1 by 12 1 by 24. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇವು 24 ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ LCM ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಇದು LCM ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೋಡಿ 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ ದಾಗ 24 ಐತಿ, 8 ದ್ರಾಗೂ ಐತಿ, 12 ದ್ರಾಗೂ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ LCM. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ 4 6 24 8 3 24 12 2 24 24 1 24. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 1 6 6 ಆಯ್ತು, 1 3 3 ಆಯ್ತು, 1 2 2 ಆಯ್ತು, 1 1 1 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 that will be 12. 1 by RP is equal to 12 by 24. but ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು RP ಬೇಕು. so I will make it reverse. so 24 by 12 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ RP 2 ohm. lowest ಅಂದ್ರೆ RP, highest ಅಂದ್ರೆ RS. ನೀವು ಇವು 4 ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ, 2 ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ 3 ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ, 1 ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ, 1 ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ, 3 ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ, 1 ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ 48 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 2 ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, 48 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಟ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ದಾಟ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 48 ಅದ, ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಅದ. ನೀವು ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟರೊಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. So this is the problem we finished. So in next class we see some exercise problems also. We'll discuss the exercise and we'll see some exercise problems. So please watch all the videos, send your homeworks, and if you have any doubts let me know it in WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in the next class. So we'll continue in the next class. So we'll see the remaining things in the next class.